started the clinic 18 years ago, and it started with a passion for people, as I come from a medical background, and I really wanted to put a business together where we treat clients, where we look after our clients, and where we also make our clients feel better about themselves. So 2004, Chameleon started in February, and we're just going forward. The treatments that we offer, I love all the treatments that we offer, especially the medical treatments, especially my laser, my Soprano laser, hair removal. But also, what makes me really happy is to see each and every client that comes in here, how we change them, how we make their life better. That actually makes me happy, and that also makes me want to come into work every single day, where I spend most of my time. So I think what excites me is that it's an ever-evolving industry. Every month, every year, there is something new that's happening. And if you look at where we started and where we know, with COVID in between, and what is allowed and what was not allowed and what is now allowed, and all the new techniques and things that we can actually do now on a client's skin, is really very exciting. There's also a lot of new machines coming into the industry. There's a lot of new techniques that we can offer clients, a lot of new services. So that is, for me, is very exciting. There's never a dull moment in this industry for me. When we sat down and we started with Chameleon years ago, we had a total different look and feel. It was more holistic, it was more like a spa type of vibe, if I can say it like this. But as the years goes past, I actually realized that my passion for the medical industry is far more, because I do come from a medical background. And when we put the new clinic here and the sanctuary together, I really wanted to go for a very clean medical type of look that complement the type of medical treatments that we offer at Chameleon Aesthetic Laser. My favorite feature or features in the salon is my lights. They're actually quite special. When we put the clinic together in the sanctuary, it was a set of lights that I was looking for that really bonded the whole design and put it together, and we ended up getting these beautiful lights that is a unique design, and the only ones in South Africa that were imported from England, so they are definitely my favorite. At Chameleon Aesthetic Laser, we offer the laser hair removal, as mentioned. We also offer medical treatments as mesotherapy, dermaplaning, collagen induction treatments like your dermapen. We also have medical treatments like your Botox, your fillers, your Chicorelli, all those type of treatments. We have a doctor on the premises that comes to us on a regular basis. And then we also offer advanced skin peeling treatments, to normal lunchtime peelings, and then we offer the traditional services for those ladies who want to bring their daughters or just want to treat themselves, the odd massage or something nice for their feet with the calyx treatment. That's almost like your Mediheal. And we do facials, and we also have waxing as well. And then we have our tan can and our spray tan. So we have quite a lot of variety of treatments that we offer at Chameleon Aesthetic that really meets anyone's need. So we started our journey with Best Lasers years ago when we were looking for a hair removal machine that is well-known company, probably the best in the world, something that is really reliable. And we ended up meeting the wonderful team of Best Lasers, and we started with the Alma Harmony SHR. We used that machine, and then later we moved over to the Alma Soprano Ice. I've always had very good service from Best Lasers. Their staff is always friendly and helpful, and the quality of the machines are really the best. You can't do better than that. At the time when we were looking for a laser hair removal system, we basically were looking for something that is really the leading machine in the industry, and we also wanted to purchase it from a company with a very good reputable background. My husband is an engineer, and being an engineer, he's very specific in certain things, and he's literally done a year of research on the different laser hair removal machines in the market. And then we met the best laser team at one of the expos, and we were very impressed with their machines, and I mean that's how our journey started. And next, what we knew, we bought one of the machines, and we've always been happy with the machine and with the service that they offer. Definitely faster treatments. So with the speed handstick, definitely shorten the treatment duration. That was a game changer. And also with the high-tech cooling system, that also made quite a difference in making the treatment more comfortable. Also with this machine, treating all the different types of skin types and hair types, that was really a game changer, because now it wasn't just a certain group of people that you could help. You could literally see all kinds of people, different skin types, different hair types, and it also made it really comfortable for myself. Having freckles and having red blonde hair, I could also now be one of the client myself. That was really game changing. The question is actually, what is there not to love? Fast, effective, virtually pain-free, all skin types, all hair types. It's really the most amazing machine. I would really not use anything else. I think that is really my go-to machine. I love it. I think if you look at the technology behind the Alma machines as such, doesn't matter if it's the hair removal machine or if it's anything else that Alma lasers bring out. They are, after all, the leaders in the field, and you can see that from the amounts of lasers that have been put in industries all through the world. It's difficult to mimic the technology that they offer in these machines, and that actually just put them on a different level. That's why. I think my client's favorite part is that this system is fast and it's effective. It's got an amazing cooling system, and so it makes the treatments much more comfortable. But also, my clients that usually come to me for any other treatments can now have the opportunity to have this amazing hair removal treatment, and it doesn't really matter what the skin type and the hair color is. And I think that is probably the key player. I would definitely say yes, definitely the system. But during COVID and with the economy, I think all of us that had laser machines, doesn't matter which type of laser machine, did take a knock, as most of the clients could not afford the treatments. So you as a business needed to sort of get together with your accountant, and you had to go and sit and you had to go and work out a plan for your clients if you wanted to go further with the machine. So there's a lot of machines that will say Soprano, but there's only one Alma. That's how you know that this is a real machine.